Now in this video, I'll walk you through how to get 0.5 ultra wide feature on Snapchat. As you can see, I don't have access to this feature until now. So what you can do, just go on App Store or Play Store and update Snapchat to its latest version. After that, if it doesn't show up, just click on your profile icon on top left corner, and after that, go to settings by clicking on top right corner. Okay, now scroll down. Under support and feedback, click on bugs and suggestions, and here click on report a bug. Select camera, and here select topic camera features. Now here type my account doesn't have access to the ultra wide camera feature. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. After that, click on submit and Snapchat will fix this problem. Now alternatively, what you can do, just go back to your camera page, click on explore, and just type on the search bar ultra wide lens. Now here select any of these lenses. I'm going with this one. Now this is not effective, but yeah, it will create an illusion like ultra wide lens. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.